Introducing the new MEX Ops. Request maintenance anywhere and on any device with the redesigned MEX Ops Requests. Easily capture all maintenance requests from all your employees, allowing you to categorically sort requests according to your preferred structure, in the process weeding out any low priority issues and turning high priority requests into actionable work orders. Open up MEX Ops on a browser, mobile phone or tablet. Depending on your device, the brand new MEX Ops switches between desktop and mobile mode, making the process of adding a request easier than ever. On the browser-based version, you are met with a menu to either create a new request or view the listing. On a phone, the listing is served up with a clear Add button to create a new request. Switching between the two is easy. Just click the desktop mode switch found at the bottom right-hand side of the window. The process of adding a request is simple. Simply tap the red Add button to add in a new request. Enter a description, attach a document, take a photo, shoot a video, or fill out a predefined MEX form. Any responses you get for your requests from the maintenance team go here. Assign an asset. Set a priority either by working through the priority matrix or selecting from a list. Lastly, define what department you think this request falls under. There you go. The new request is now in the queue. At any point, you can jump back to this listing and see the status of the request, whether it's been approved, its priority, and if it has been entered as a work order or cancelled. Using the simple listing filter, you can set the listing to show either open, all, completed, and declined cancelled requests. If you need to add any comments or respond to any admin responses, simply open up the request's details and add it in here. Give your maintenance team some breathing space and arm your non-maintenance users with the ability to add requests anywhere and at any time. Sold in a bundle of 20 concurrent users, MEX Ops Requests is a cost-effective tool that anyone can use. For more information, contact the MEX sales team today at sales@mex.com.au.